feel hungry and I feel like we're gonna cook something fantastic and amazing. Little bit of oil, not too much. It's a tiny bit of oil in the front pan. We're gonna cook a healthy dish tonight. Simple, basic. Alright, yeah. It's gonna be basic. So just some sea bass fish. So this is what you want to do. Alright. I'm just gonna do them 2 at a time. Sea bass fish, guys. I don't know if you guys eat that, but yeah. A little bit of paprika. Some mixed herb. A bit of Cajun seasoning, you know what I mean? Some basil. Sea salt. That is amazing. Look at that. Simple, isn't it? Very, very simple like cooking. Yeah. Sea bass fish, guys. I don't know what you guys want to think about this one. I just feel like let's do something very quickly and simple. Okay, guys, it's okay. Alright. Look at that. See that? Yeah, man. Yeah. You guys can see. Yeah, we don't want to overcook it too much. So, you know, so we're taking them from the. Alright. So we don't want to overcook them. Get enough 2 pieces. Sea bass fish. Long time I cook them, you know. Same thing. Paprika. Some season. Yeah. Basil. This is some oregano. Sea salt. over. Look at that. Basic cooking this at home. Yeah, that looking good. So you're not gonna overcook them too much. Once you get that little color, you know, you're good to go. Alright, excellent. So what we're gonna do is a tiny little bit more oil. Alright, and put some vegetables. Look at this. Amazing, look at that, guys. That's looking good. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. That looking good, isn't it? Yeah. That looks amazing. I just get in the kitchen and start gonna do something like this. Normally, I prepare, not this time. Still onion. Just a little bit of boiling water from my kettle. Alright. Yeah. Look at this beautiful season. Looking good, ain't it? Just add a little bit of sweet chili sauce to it because I need to use it up. Look at that. Very, very simple, ain't it? Yeah. Not too complicated. Let's try this. Little bit of season. That's gonna bring a flavor to it. Yeah. Let it cook down for a little bit. And then we're gonna serve it up. Good vibes. What do you guys think? Something different, innit? Yeah. I didn't plan for this. I just get in the kitchen and I say, alright, I'm gonna just do something. Anything happen. That's what I just did. Yeah, so. Yeah, sometimes I can just get in the kitchen and just do something. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright. What you can do. Let's see boss thing. Alright. Back inside of it. Yeah, look at that. So you can't cook sea bass like you cook a regular fish. Sea bass is very easy to cook. Yeah. So you guys can see that looks delicious. Yes. As you guys can see, that's, you know. Wow, look at that. Sea bass fish. Yeah, turn off the heat and let's shear it up. Alright, yeah, we're gonna shear them up now. Friend tell a friend. So we just shear it up and that's the way it look. Good vibes. Yes, people, what do you think? That looking delicious. All right. Okay, quick update. Remember, guys, you can get yourself a copy of the book, From Poverty to Purpose. The book is available on Amazon. All right. Yeah, man. Go over to Amazon and grab yourself a copy of the book. All right. Good vibes. 50% off. Lovely and nice. Look at that. Excellent. Good vibes.